Namaste dosto, this is Naren here, and this time also I got success in option expiry trading. I am doing trading on both Nifty and Bank Nifty option, and I am selling out of the money options. As everyone can see, out of the money in the calls, and this is the puts for the Nifty, where the out of the money has reached the lost trading price to 0 rupees for the different call ratio. Okay, at the same time on the put side also same way, all the put values have reached to 00 rupees of different put price. Okay, these all how else I am doing same with the Bank Nifty also. I'll show you for the Bank Nifty also. This is Nifty and Bank Nifty, um, and this is the Bank Nifty. Expiry date is 7 May. Today I did trading, and lost trading price has been reached to out of the money for all values as to 0. Sorry, this is going this 7th May. Okay, okay. So the lost trading price market has laid on for the Bank Nifty 19,480. That comes around round figure 19,500. 19,500. Where the prices has reached to 0 for OTM money, guys, you can see clearly it is all 0 0 0 0. Okay, and over here the prices has reached to 0 0 0 0. Guys, you can see for different stock price, different for different prices, different strike prices, the values has ranged to 0 0 0 0. Okay, what else I do? I do trading on the 5 paisa. Just I will show you how else I done trading. Just see every maximum trading, 810 rupees, 810 rupees profit, 621 rupees profit, 993 rupees profit. Okay, in the same way, this is 1000 rupees profit, 1360, 1580 rupees profit, and same this very simple strategy. Just sell all the out of the money at different strike price. As per the you take the risk reward also, calculate the risk reward, and I am calculating. Just I'll show you how I'll take the risk reward also. Just I'll show you. You see here average sell rate at what rate I sold 4 rupees 72 paisa. How much quantity? 180 is something is around coming 9 lots I sold at 4 rupees 72 paisa, and 9 lots I bought at 0.2 paisa. So I made a profit of, from in this strategy I made a profit of 812 rupees. Yeah, 812 rupees. Same all are same. Just see average rate I sold at 11 rupees. How many trades? Three lots I sold Bank Nifty, and I bought back at 0.3 paisa, 3 lots. Okay, and just you see 11 rupees I sold 3 lots, bought at 30 paisa 6 lots. Okay, in the same way all trades I had done, and finally all trades has landed in the positive. Okay, just max of the things are in landed in positive. So I made profit of 15,016 rupees. Okay, and guys, I this is the video I made, and I'll explain you some more key points which may help you in next trading also. This is the chart where I am using for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, just this is the where I calculate the previous day low, previous day high. This is the previous day low, that is lying at 9150, and previous day high lying at 9350 rupees. So above 9350 calls I sold 9350, 9400, 9450 calls I sold. At the same way, below below 9150 puts I sold 9150, 9100, 9050, 9000 puts I sold all this. So guys, you can clearly understand, and if you guys you know how to analyze the chart and how to analyzing the this chart. This one I'm using the Bollinger. Just today market is open and down below around 9200, and you see just it is maintaining below 20-day moving average line. So at 11:30 I am entering over here. So my analysis as 11:30, how else it will be if the market is in a negative, and sure in the evening it will lie down in the negative only. So market, just I entered over here, I sold all the put prices and call prices, and the market is lie down between here, and maximum up market can go is 9300, and maximum down it can go down is 9200. This analysis depends upon how you trade and how you analyze everything. Hope you guys can understand this one. So by using this previous day low, previous day high, I have traded this time, and I made a profit. I made a good profit also. Okay. Just hope you guys everyone understood this one. Just I will show you one more capture. This is the Nifty, Bank Nifty previous day low, previous day high, and Bank Nifty previous low, previous day high. So in Nifty range bound is 9150 to 9350. So in this case we can sell the Nifty 9400, 9450, 9500 calls. At the same time we can sell 9100, 9150, 9000 puts, and Bank Nifty range bound is 19000 to 19800, and I sold around 19900, 20000 calls, and 18900, 18800 puts. And I used to shuffle the trades, and I used to manage all the trades, and I used to sell, buy, sell. If I sell 19,000 for just assume if I sell 19,800 at 10 rupees, and I bought back at 1 rupee, then I used to enter into the other trade. Just shuffle the things, and ultimately you make the profit. This is a strategy I'm using from last 5 weeks. I'm landed in a very good posture rate. There is no negative at all, and easily you can make a profit of 2 to 3% with this strategy. Guys, thank you. Hope please like and subscribe and share the video. Okay, any guys, you can leave a comment, I can reply you guys. Thank you.